This is a reused USB plug for a keyboard, and I want to make a nice rubber part for it, a handle, and which will protect the contacts and the wires and such. So I was thinking that I will use hot glue because it's basically silicone, very close to this material, maybe a little softer. So I'm gonna pour it into this piece of aluminum. I put the plug in so I don't put too much glue on it. Put it in there. And I already started the hot glue gun. So let's see. What can I do here? Come on, you glue. Out, out, out. Fill it up. Nice. And oh boy, I need more. I need more. Wait, wait. I need more. Luckily it was handy. Let's see. Oh boy. Oh boy, this is a mess. Hmm. So what's going on here? It failed. So let's wait for it to harden, maybe. And then try to put some more. Hmm. And I think I need it to be longer, like that. And put in more. More. Hmm. This will be interesting. Like that. I will unplug the hot glue gun. And let's see. Let's cool it down. It doesn't look too bad. But I never tried anything like this before. So what's happening there? Focus. Focus. Seems to be okay. Let's wait for it to harden. It's still sticky. Oh boy. Watching paint dry. Glue dry. It's not more fun. But it seems promising. Hmm, it's beginning to harden. Interesting. It's less transparent. So it probably will take back its original shade of gray or whatever. It's supposed to be silicon. Yeah, it seems hard enough. Let's try to take it out of the form. Ooh, it's sticking. It's sticking. Heh. Now what will I do? It's not hard enough to just peel it. I'll have to wait a bit more. Try to force it. Hmm. Ah, I will destroy this form, shape, the aluminium, but it's coming out. Okay. Oh, wow. What do you know? Glue sticks to aluminium. That's funny. It's really solid. Wow. It's rubbery, almost like the original plug. So I'll just have to cut off the excess and put in some more where it's missing. This is interesting. Haha. I didn't think it would work. And it holds the cable very nice. Okay, well, I learned something.